about to finish, you know, to deal with some unfinished business.
I swear, those things are peskier than Clancy's cockroaches.
Hey, you creepo monsters! There's only one DNA freak allowed around here, and that's my cousin.
Yeah! I mean, hey!
Yes. So can I do one thing? Can I do something? Okay, oh, oh, no, no, that thing is not fall there. Then I really love. Okay. So I don't think I can do him. I don't think. Wow. Daddy. Okay, I cannot go. Would you go? I cannot be ready.
Crystal energy, what was that? Okay, no, it is not difficult. Time. So I can unable to spam this. Unable to spam. Okay, so I have to just drop. Yes.
I how the I died. Pinball. Yes, my friend's turn. Oh, that is something great. What special pinball. Wow. So how in the hell I'm losing it? How are they hitting? Wow.
Yeah!
How are they hitting? Now, wow. Oh, that is so good. Okay. Now where's all fire bomb. Wow. So now I just use it a lot. That I'm using a lot. Pinball. So I just use it like that. So you just remove so you don't spam. Okay. That's crazy. Like how am I using it? Okay. A rank. Promo rank ultra. A rank.
Hurry and get strapped in. We've wasted enough time already.
Hey, I did just smack down all those uglies. How about a little credit here?
Gwen, compliment your cousin.
Nice watch. Where'd you get it?
Okay, that was a taunt, not a compliment. But we take those, you know. It's not like we get play secret challenge. You know what? Let's just play secret challenge. Why not? So what is the secret? So you see who is doing it. So instead of admitting that, so instead of just the green one going down, the red one goes down. Just that. Okay, so they are just hitting me. That's what I said. So I can't cross clear at that. Wow, I am just bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around. Yes, please, yes. Yeah, what is this one? Yes, the challenge. So what is so secret about it? I don't know that. So the secret is I cannot dodge there at I think. Because I tried dodging, he was dodging before, but now I am not dodging. And instead of green one, the red one goes down. That's the difference. Because no one is hitting. No one is hitting. See, and yeah, who is hitting it? And if they are down, how come they will respond? So what is the secret challenge? So what's so secret in it? I just don't understand. Oh, whoa. That was
Okay, I cannot special take time. I can only spam it twice. I am not dodging their attack. Why is it? I don't know. Wow. Blazing slide, Sonic Rush, and let's just continue. So what's
Hurry and get strapped in. We've wasted enough time already.
Hey, I did just smack down all those uglies. How about a little credit here?
Gwen, compliment your cousin.
Nice watch. Where'd you get it?
so it was nothing special. Wow. Nothing special. But 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 we will try it later. Bye bye. What is this? Or it's just the same old thing? Return to map. Yes. We will see you later. I will see you later. Bye bye.